This is Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mid-century modern planter holder in 3 easy steps. Here's what you'll need: a wooden bowl, 3 6-inch end table legs, 3 steel angle top plates to mount the legs, spray paint, wood stain, painter's tape, and, as optional supplies, craft paint and a brush. Click onto the HomeJelly link in the comments below for the links to purchase these items. Here's what you do. Step 1. Tape off the wood part of the leg to avoid overspray. Then spray the tips gold for added detailing. Here's a tip. Place legs upside down in an egg crate to dry. Step 2. Stain the wooden legs the same color as your bowl for a cohesive look. If you've got several stains at home, paint a test strip to compare to your bowl. Otherwise, the paint associate at your local hardware store will help you. Step 3. Attach 3 steel angle top plates, then screw on the legs. To find the measurements of where you should place your 3 angle top plates, you can use the guide available on the HomeJelly link in the comments below. Place the guide on your wooden bowl. You can eye the center spot. Each X is 120 degrees apart, and where you should place the center of each plate. Mark the pre-drill holes where the plates will go with the pencil. Drill holes. It's okay to go all the way through. Then screw into place. Make sure the angle of each plate is facing outward. Because the screws on these legs were a little long, when I first screwed them in, they didn't sit flush and snug to the plate. I added a washer to the center, which gave the leg screw enough space to tighten securely. I wanted to add just a little something extra, so I used painter's tape to create a couple pinstripes. I started at the base, then added 4 more lines of tape. I then unraveled the 2 strips I wanted to paint. Using a Lazy Susan made painting this bowl super easy. I used interior latex paint, but you can also use crafting paint as well. To keep the wood protected, insert a planter tray. There you have it. You did it! For more detailed instructions, go to our website. If you'd like to check out more of our doable DIY projects, follow us on Instagram or Pinterest. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.